شن دیادما تازه شجفنودا دا میزگینم سولا نبی چند شده شن سخزگوز و بوریس اما کندا دا نزد شیپوری گاموکولا آگرام آراکی چاندا میزیدم نخوری آراکی چاندا سیگن سوریس تانکی خلی
This is how you greet your superior officer, soldier?
I knew you'd come.
I figured I might as well spend the last day in the country with my little brother.
Are you nervous?
Nah. Someone has to win this war.
I bet my boots I can hit all 5 with 5 bullets.
Tempting. Are fist fights part of your training program now?
You should have seen the other guy.
Yeah, I heard. You sent him to the hospital. So what did he do, kiddo?
Whatever.
If it's about a girl, she better be worth it. Just remember, you're worrying Mom with that stuff. You need to be the man of the house when I'm gonna be in Afghanistan. I can already smell the dinner from here. Don't get me wrong, the Army feeds us all right, but damn, I've missed Mom's good old chicken wings.
Remember how we played hide and seek here?
Hard to forget. You were really bad at it. I remember once when we... Rob? Come on, Rob. Rob? Okay, brother. Let's see what you got.
ETA 2 minutes, boys. John, really?
Shut up.
You still using it to beat yourself up, altar boy? Hanging yourself on a bent, tarnished cross?
Very poetic, Rob. At least I have a sense of right and wrong.
Oh, the system's rigged, brother. Some guys get slammed for no reason, some guys get hyped for no reason.
Is it bitter and lonely not to believe in anything?
You're the perfect soldier, John. Naive, gullible, brainwashed, chain of command, following orders. Yes, sir.
Hey! You believe in the system when it suits you. Big church wedding, Marine Honor Guard, Mila took your name.
That was all her.
Yeah, but you played along like a good little soldier.
How would you know? You weren't even there, but thanks for the lovely gift. Oh, wait, you didn't ever send a fucking card.
She's wrong for you, Robert.
Says the man whose longest relationship lasted, what, 6 months? Is it bitter and lonely being such a self-righteous prick?
Final approach, guys.
Ready?
Try not to kill each other out there. I don't want to break the news to Mama North.
Don't go rogue!
Don't be a robot.
I'm serious. She scares the shit out of me.
And she scares the shit out of everybody!
Which is how she raised such badass warrior sons. Well, one at least.
Not hard to figure which
Enough, you two. Destroy the bioweapon and exfiltrate. In and out. No sniffing around. It's Cold War vintage, so who knows what toxic shit is in there. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
Hoorah!
This is it. The Russian-Ukrainian border. Not sure what I was expecting. Comm check. Frank, can you hear me? Over.
Loud and clear. Listen up, Marines. JSOC needs you to infiltrate that abandoned military complex and destroy its bioweapon stockpile. Stay frosty. Over and out.
Over and out.
After you, Rob.
You should have a better view from up there.
Roger that. What's that?
No fucking idea. A test site, maybe? Alright, let's have a look. Fuck, can't see shit. We're too far. We need to find a better spot. What about over there? Cliffs on the right side of that dome. You see that?
Yeah, I see it. Not sure about the angle, though.
Let's go and check it out. Careful. The rocks might be slippery. After you.
Always first.
Hey, you're the one holding the Navy cross.
I didn't fight for that.
Yeah. Just go.
See that? Piece of cake.
Good job.
Right. I'm on the other side.
So am I. Come on. Time's in short supply. It's a fucking ghost town over there.
Too quiet for your taste?
In our line of work, quiet never means safe. Shit. Wolf. Dead. Move on. Shit. We're not gonna jump over this one.
I remember the times when it'd be your first idea.
Yeah. What now?
Let me have a look around. See that scorched tree? Looks like a lightning strike. I bet that, with a well-placed shot, we can make a footbridge.
Well-placed shot. So you want me to do it?
I'm good. Watch this.
Change the bullets. Use the explosives. Just saying, brother. You got better ammo for that. Use the explosive bullets. Oh, damn. Nice work, brother.
You're going first.
Yes, Sergeant North, sir.
Be careful.
Yeah, I know. Chill. Feels solid.
Still, be careful.
Oh, change your ammo. Use the regulars. They're not as loud.
Yeah, I know.
You hear that? Helos?
Yeah, sounds like they're coming closer.
Stay low. Better be safe. Okay, let's go. Quick, behind that rock. I have a bad feeling about this.
Bad feeling, huh?
Shh. Look, wolves. Told you I had a bad feeling. Believe me now?
You were right this time.
Looks like they're busy chewing down something. No need to kill them until you really have to. Let's go through the bushes.
Okay, go.
Stay low.
They can attack us.
Don't think so. They're focused on the carrion.
Right.
All right, we're safe. Follow me. I found some footprints. They look fresh. Whoever left those can't be far away.
Is that all?
You're the tracker in this family. What can you tell?
Military boots. 2 men. Must be soldiers.
Army? Mercenaries? Scouts?
Judging by their pattern, they're organized. And by their depth, I'd say they were carrying some heavy shit.
You mean weapons?
That's a safe bet. We should be ready for the worst.
Shit. Guess it's time for us to get to work.
Stay frosty. Don't get carried away.
I have eyes on the test site. 2 mercenaries in there. We're gonna take them by surprise. I'll take that fucker at the edge and you focus on the one by the fire.
Let's go.
That was easy.
There'll be more of them. Be alert.
Yeah, look at that. What a wreck. Here, take it. Here, it's the drone. Time for the recon. You know how to use this beauty, don't you?
I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out.
First, you need to tag all the enemies.
Got the first one. Another one.
Investigating possible movement.
Target sighted.
Contact! Fuck, they spotted us.